this is Cherry Belle. She's wanting a real, probably just a gravel sitting area with a nice border. They're gonna put their fire pit, it's that one sitting up there. They're gonna set it in the center here. She wants to be able to seat about 6 people, 10 at the most. She wants some oak trees. She's always wanted to live in kind of a wooded area with a bunch of oaks. So we're gonna plant some pretty mature oak trees. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pretty mature oak trees, so maybe a 3-inch caliber size. So pretty good size there. Pondless Waterfall, a little bit oversized basin right in here, so we can put some big flat outcropping stones set in that basin to go flush with the patio here. She's got a good almost 7 feet of elevation change, 6 feet. And then up at the headwaters, gonna do a really unique fountainscape with some bowls and boulders, or some urns and boulders, and some stumps. She's got some really cool stumps that she's saved off of a piece of property, so we can give them some sights and sounds up here in this sitting space, so people can enjoy it from up here and down below. 3 fountainscape pieces, and then we are about 15 feet wide here. Gonna need probably a 25-foot wide piece of liner, because I really want to get a good bend in this and get a really cool shape in here. For this, they might have, their septic is right there, so I'm not sure where their lines run to it, but it looks like it might be smack where our basin's gonna go, so we need to double check on that. And then the stream, overall length of stream is about 40 feet from top to bottom. Alright, that's a wrap on this one. Got our waterfall and our patio and our landscape is all installed. It looks awesome. Got a 15-foot patio down here. She can throw a fire pit in there. several people sit down here and really enjoy this space. And what a beautiful space it's turning into. It's just now starting to bloom. We got the Gara blooming. This coreopsis is kind of a creamy yellow color. And then this low green ground cover that's right above those rocks, that's blue clips. Bloom that'll come out on that, and it just spreads and covers everything. And we got lots of different things planted inside of here, lots of different sedums, creeping genie. We got some sun patience. I built some built-in plant pockets in there, one here, one there, and another over there. So as those fill that in and soften all that rock work up real nice and neat. And the fountainscape up top, got some kind of deeper pooling areas for grandkiddos to play in. Got this really cool slider here. Drop has its own light. This really cool pinch up here, and a real low area for the kids to play in up here. Gotta put some aquatics in the pots. I just don't have them yet, and it's still a little cold at night here, so I'm gonna wait a little bit and we'll get that in there. One of those blooming, so it'll have these cool little purple blue flowers. It'll spread and cover this whole thing, hide that edge of that rock all the way around. That'll do that. Different places. These get really big, not super tall, but this will all be thick. You'll see any of this mulch in a couple of years. That'll be a really pretty landscape as it matures in.